How to fix gift eligibility on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and further tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Here you will see the option for account privacy. Tap on that and then go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for private account. Now, go back and scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option for account type and tools. Tap on that and then tap on the switch to professional account option you see there and further follow the prompts in order to switch to professional account. Now, once you are done switching to professional account, go ahead and tap on settings again and you will see the option for creator. Tap on that and then tap on the monetization option and then tap on the monetization status option and further go ahead and fix any issues listed there. The next fix could be you might have violated the content rules, so make sure to avoid reposting others' video. Also, make sure to avoid copyrighted content and make sure to avoid harmful or misleading content. Next, even if not officially stated, you will usually need to grow your account, so make sure that you have at least 1,000 to 10,000 followers and you have regular reels posting and you have good engagements, that is like, comment, and shares. See if that helps, and if not, then on your profile again, go to your professional dashboard and then look for gifts or bonuses and then go ahead and enable it. And once done, it also could be that it is not available in your country, so check country availability as gifts are not available in all countries yet. So if you're a restricted region, you may not see the option at all, so stay not eligible even if everything is correct, and you can also simply wait for manual approval. So this was about how you can fix eligibility on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.